In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail alias in Google Workspace. Whether you're looking to organize your emails better or just want to streamline communication, setting up an alias can be incredibly useful. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, begin by navigating to Google Workspace. If you're not already familiar, Google Workspace is where all your company's tools and services are managed, making it the central hub for all administrative tasks. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Admin Console. This is typically visible on the home page, but remember you might need appropriate permissions to access it. Now to proceed, go ahead and log in using your business email. This step is crucial because you need to have admin credentials to make these changes. Once you're logged in successfully, you'll be welcomed into the main interface. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen. There's a menu labeled as the Google Apps menu, which contains various Google services and applications. Click on this menu to continue. From this drop-down menu, look for and click on the admin icon. This will redirect you to the main administrative panel where you can access a multitude of functionalities for managing your organization's accounts. Next, direct your attention to the left menu and click on Directory. It's here you'd manage users and their account details. Under the Directory menu, click on Users. This brings up a list of all the users in your organization who are registered with Google Workspace. Scroll through the list and find the user account for which you want to create an alias. Click on that user's account profile to continue. Once you are on the user's profile page, you'll need to look for an option labeled Add Alternate Emails. Clicking this will open up a window where you can enter the desired alias. Simply type in the alternate email that you want the user to have. Now keep in mind, it's important to choose an alias that fits well within your organization's email structure and is easy to remember. After entering the desired alias, your final step is to click Save. This action will save the new alias to the user's account, meaning they can start using this new email address for receiving emails almost instantly. It's as simple as that. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up a Gmail alias in Google Workspace. Not only does this improve email management, but it also ensures better branding and consistency in communication within your organization. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you get a better grip on managing your Google Workspace accounts. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or reach out to your system administrator for further assistance.